Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
This video I'm going to share latest job openings in Tirupur. So it is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for customer care specialist for air logistics. So you can for this company, and let us discuss about the responsibilities and the skills and experience mentioned here. So firstly, I'll go with the responsibilities. Like you need to drive customer engagement and satisfaction in close cooperation with the key account manager and also operational care center OCC, and to establish and strengthen operational relation to customer contacts through daily interaction, and to proactively advise and consult clients to ensure customer satisfaction, and to support customer onboarding in line with working instructions, ensuring inclusion plus transfer of customer requirements into the current systems alongside the customer order, and to qualify along with you need to enter customer orders into the operational execution process. Coming to skills and experience, the candidate should be having experience of more than 5 years in the freight forwarding and airport operations and customs process, and report with the carriers and ground handling agents. So you please go through with all the details mentioned here. If you want to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description, so you can check in the description once. One, there is a job opening for assistant manager for credit operations. It is from Bajaj Finserv. So, coming to responsibilities, understanding of the financial loan products and credit policies for unsecured loans, deliver disbursement quality, clear holes at TCS as per agreed SLA, knowledge of loan documentation, pre-sanction and post-sanction, and the candidate would be responsible for coordination with verification agencies and tracking verification reports on a day-to-day basis, and ability to learn and apply learning quickly, and responsible for disbursement, DM preparation and QDP processing. So these are the responsibilities, and coming to qualification, it would be graduate with 1 to 2 years of experience in operations is required. So so the interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. One, there is a job opening for migration support center executive, so it is from Good Worker. So coming to responsibilities, you need to receive employer wise list of candidates who are traveling to Tirupur to work as SMOs, and confirm worker batches with the employer, receive workers as airport or train station or ISBT and accompany them to their respective employers, and match workers against the received employer wise list, confirm the joining and provide reasons for any missing candidates via email, and handle any worker issues that come up post joining an employer, document those issues and escalate to state operations manager SOM if needed. So these are the responsibilities, and coming to qualifications and skills, you should be proficient in using MS Excel or Google Sheets and CRM systems, and excellent communication skills in English and Tamil for employers and Hindi for workers, and good listening and problem solving skills are required, and ability to take and handle stress and pressure, and good interpersonal skills, and must be patient, diplomatic and motivated and trustworthy. So these are the details about this executive position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply. One, there is a job opening for team lead. So it is from Amazon. So let us discuss about the essential functions and also essential skills mentioned here. So coming to essential skills, the candidate should have strong execution skills, action oriented and go getter attitude, and resourceful to identify the way to get things done using limited resources, and ability to work under pressure situations, and ability to work and perform station operations independently, and the ability to work in ambiguous situations and to come out with the solutions as per the situations faced. So coming to functions, working with the center manager to ensure smooth function of the Amazon transportation operations in Bangalore, and executing the delivery process from delivery station to customer address, and ensure enough bandwidth in delivery team to ensure peak time delivery management, and continuously improve the delivery process and attain a sustained level of delivery performance improvement. So these are the functions and skills required for this position. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. One, so these are the qualifications and the preferred qualification details for the previous job role. You can also check here with all the details. Next one, there is a job opening for team member agency sales support. So it is from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. So coming to responsibilities, campaign management, design or ideation of campaigns for IMDs, employees across national or local level, and refer for approvals or side off from NHOD, zonal heads, vertical heads, finance and marketing team, and you need to plan and design communication plan for all the campaigns, and plan and the execution for events across locations depending upon the type of the campaign, and negotiation of best rates for all the events planned for agency and getting the same approved by NHOD or finance, and stakeholder management internal or external, and you can also check here with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. So to apply, one, there is a job opening for marketing executive position. So it is from Xian International. So coming to candidate profile, it should be like excellent communication skills, record keeping, data management and other back office work, and meeting with the clients, building relationship and customer support, and minimum 5 years of experience is required in marketing. So coming to perks and benefits, like opportunity to work with the leadership team, and competitive salary, and learning and development opportunities, and flexible working hours will be there for the candidates. So interested candidates who are looking for this type of job role, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for full stack WordPress developer. So it is from Uploads. So coming to responsibilities, PHP based website production, coding, deployment and optimization of ongoing projects, and optimize applications for speed and scalability, development of front end and back end web properties, working closely with the creative team to develop, implement and maintain designs that fit their brand look and feel, and lightweight server-side maintenance, domains, DNS, redirects, hosting, and deploying international websites with the translation management, and ensuring high performance and availability, and managing all technical aspects of the CMS. So these are the responsibilities. And coming to skills, the candidate should be having having the knowledge of OOPS concepts, and good understanding of PHP, jQuery, MySQL, HTML and CSS, and strong proficiency in JavaScript including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model, and strong understanding of any PHP based CMS, WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Magento, Xcode, etc. or framework would be Laravel, Cake PHP, YII, and Codeignator, etc. And third party API integration and ability to implement automated testing platforms and unit tests. So these are the skills and the responsibilities. You please go through with all the details, and if you want to apply for this position, you can also check in the description for the link. One, there is a job opening for sales manager. It is from Xian Charging. So coming to requirements, minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required in sales or relevant role, and the ability to influence and prospect potential clients, and excellent written and verbal communication skills should be there, and excellent time management, organization and presentation skills, and self motivated and driven by target, passionate about sales, excellent interpersonal skills, and an ability to build relationships with people at all levels. So these are the requirements. And coming to job description, you need to build relationships and maintain consistent contact with prospective location partners, and contact offer proposal and sign agreement with property owners for setting up electrical vehicle charging station and identify customers for EV charger and initiate sales for chargers and maintains relationship with the clients by providing support, information and guidance, researching and recommending new opportunities, recommending profit and service improvements, and advise location partners on policies and operating procedures to ensure functional effectiveness of business. So these are the details about this position, about the sales manager position. So if you are interested, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.